In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own custom brush in Photoshop from any shape in just a few simple steps. This is a really quick and useful technique that can save you time and help you add a more personal touch to your designs. Whether you want to make decorative elements, repeat a custom icon, or build a brush set that matches your style, this method makes the process very easy. To begin, open Photoshop and create a new document. Once your document is ready, go to the toolbar and select the Shape tool. From here, draw any shape that you want to turn into a custom brush. This can be something simple, like a star, a leaf, or a basic symbol, or it can be a more unique design that you create yourself. For this example, I'm using a custom shape, but this is a great place to experiment and try different ideas to see what works best for your project. If your design includes more than one shape layer, take a moment to organize everything before turning it into a brush. In the Layers panel, click the first shape layer, then hold Shift and click the last one to select them all at once. After that, group the selected layers together. This doesn't change the design itself, but it keeps your Layers panel clean and makes your file easier to manage, especially if you're working with more detailed artwork. Once your shape design is ready, go to the Edit menu and choose Define Brush Preset. Photoshop will ask you to name your new brush. Enter a clear name that will be easy to recognize later, then click OK to save it. As soon as you do that, Photoshop automatically adds the brush to your brush presets, so it's ready to use anytime you want. Now it's time to test it. Create a new blank layer so you can paint without affecting your original shape. Then select the Brush tool and open the Brush Presets panel. Choose the custom brush you just created and start painting on the canvas to see how it looks. If the result isn't exactly what you want right away, that's completely normal. You can fine-tune the brush by adjusting settings like the size, the spacing, or other brush controls until it gives you the effect you're looking for. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so don't be afraid to test a few variations. And that's it. You've successfully created your own custom Photoshop brush. Great job following along, and keep experimenting with different shapes to build a brush collection that feels unique and makes your artwork stand out.